pull some celestial strings for us. There it is.
There, yeah. Oh man.
Look at that. Okay, there's some holes coming.
Still a sliver. Still a sliver. Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Oh, you could feel it. You could.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at how much darker. You can sense it. There's a hole coming, Rich. Oh, there it is.
That's it.
Oh my God, look at that. Dark. And look at that hole that's coming. We're gonna get it, guys. We're gonna get it.
Oh,
man.
Oh, baby. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Stars, we have stars. That is just amazing.
Oh my goodness. There it is. Oh, wow. Big star over there to the right. That could even be a planet.
I think it is a planet. I think it's
Look at that. That is so cool.
a nice corona.
That's ice. That's ice.
Nice.
Come on, clouds. There's a big hole coming from below. There's the horizon.
Look at that. Sunrise all around. Come on. See the hole.
Oh, there's a big hole coming. There's a huge hole coming. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Oh, I think we're gonna get it.
There it is. There it is. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and more.
That's never going to do it justice. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Just keep driving.
Richard. Here. Take a look.
Oh man,
Isn't that cool? Yeah, absolutely.
fucking amazing.
Sheila, come look through the binoculars. Ryan, you too. Yeah, down at the bottom right corner.
Yeah.
clouds again. Yeah, it's a chrome flare. Feel it lightening up again too. Oh my gosh.
I mean, I stopped the car hard to get out.
I mean, you can't not know that it's a total failure fix.
Yeah.
How many chances? Oh my gosh.
Oh, here it is. It's got it. It's coming out.
Yeah, you can feel the light. Oh yeah. We did it, buddy. We did it. Thanks, Jim. That was a nice surprise.